it was very comprehensive and it was very thorough, sir. But just a question, as you rightly said, there are many organizations that offer certifications, and as you rightly said, it's very important that we should do a certification from the right place. So, do you have any recommendations as to, because the certification itself, it doesn't come cheap. There is a cost with it. It comes at a price. So, do you have any recommendations about genuine organizations?
Yes, generally, Six Sigma evolved from Motorola University, right? Evolved from Motorola University. At the same time, as you rightly said, it is costlier. And the next popular one, I don't say it's the right one, it's a popular one. See, these are all only certification agencies like ASQ, American Society for Quality. But what is most important is your learning is most important. Certification, you take it whenever you want. Once you earn lakhs and crores of money, then take the certificate. Now, at this point of time, what do you want? You want the real learning. You have to really, learn properly, and then you should succeed in your profession. And then you can pay for the certification, sit for the exam, and get your certificate. So, in my opinion, people popularly, they run towards these big brands. But you need to make a wise choice. And we are also into the training program, but we do it through MSME Technology Development Center. Let me share that slide quickly with you. You raised an important question. So give me a minute. I'll share how we do. And we have been, yes, let me quickly move my slides. So step-by-step approach is Six Sigma, the belt levels, and these are the modules. All right. So the benefits for organization. So we have been doing a program called Campus to Corporate program, through which we train corporates. We also train young graduates like you. Our main motto is to equip the young engineers like you to come out with employability skill set, to come out with the much needed problem solving and decision making skill set. So we have found a way by which we impart you a world-class training. If you feel like what you, the experience, what you had so far with me is comparable to a world-class experience, and same will be the experience when you take up the full training also. The training modules are designed in, and I lead the training group, and the training modules are designed in such a way that somebody who doesn't know anything about Six Sigma, who doesn't know anything about Lean, who hate mathematics and who hate statistics, will start loving the Six Sigma methodology and will really become an expert in a matter of 4 days. In a matter of four days of training program, someone like you will undergo a true transformation from a state called engineer to an employable engineer, from its current level to a problem solving expert. We will call him a green belt. I strongly recommend all of you to go to a green belt directly, because green belt will include the yellow belt as well as the white belt modules, and so that will be taught after building the basics. The green belt module will be taught to you. That is generally about 24 to 28 hours of training program. It can happen in an online mode also. And for college students, if the arrangement is made through the college, we are ready to waive off 50% of the fees for the students. It comes at a very subsidized price, and our program fees is 17,700 for the green belt training program, and we can bring it down straight away. We can give you 50% off, and also if it is going to happen in an online mode, further fees reduction is possible. So if you are seriously interested, you can we can make an arrangement through your department, and then we can conduct the online training program for you. Our online training programs are 10 times effective than a classroom training program for many good reasons. Every single minute will be recorded, and recording will be given to the participants. That means you are enrolling for the course once, but learning it for your life. The recording is provided, access for the lifetime, and all the project templates required to execute your project in industries which we are using as a consultant will be provided to you. And then continuous support. We even guide you on your first project, right? And these are all our learning pedagogy. You can see us training corporates. You can see us training in online, training in classroom mode, and we are comfortable with all the modes. We trained professors, we trained researchers and the corporates, and we even trained the college students, right? And these are certain pictures. We call it campus to corporate program, as a simple arrangement between the institution and the college and our organization. Particularly the certifying agency is MSME Technology Development Center, Government of India. So all of you are going to get a prestigious certificate from Government of India. That means it is valid globally. There are many colleges already, they have enrolled. That means they have signed MOU with us and the programs are happening. And the last 2 years we have been doing this. We have trained near about 2000 plus college students exclusively, right? When our numbers run into lakhs with respect to the corporates and college students, there are about 2000 plus students we have trained. Even in the pandemic, we did a lot of program. And these are the list of the colleges. And this is the kind of certificate you will be getting. And this is the powerful training pedagogy which we follow. We give you the training material. We give you the complete access to the course as soon as you register. For example, all of you wanted to learn next month. Right from today, you can start learning on your own. And then next month, the training will happen. What will happen? This will multiply your learning. The complete session recording, step by step, Six Sigma is all about 5 phases. Phase by phase, the modules will be provided to you. You can learn and then you can sit in the training program. And this is a rare opportunity organization can create, because the ultimate outcome is, the goal is your learning outcome. So all the pre-training materials provided upfront, and then the live training happens. But you need to take best, care of yourself to do the self-learning, but it is not prerequisite. And then after the training program, we give you simulated projects. We call them assignments, right? But these are nothing but simulated live projects. The project problem will be there, industry data will be there, and you will be working on it. That will give you, project experience, which you can add it in your profile also as projects. And then to help you with the green belt examination, there is an assessment, 4 mock exam. We make you take up 4 mock exam that will make you fit to receive the certificate, right? In the first attempt, you will score very good mark. Though the passing score is 60%, will make you score 90% and above. And then through a very systematic procedure, you will be certified. And then during the training hours, additional 4 hours like this will be offered to you, which is voluntary. Main training program will happen one side, and then additional 4 hours will be created only to clarify your doubts, right? These are all, ultimately we are trying to convert you or truly transform you into green belt, and that will follow with the project assistance. Within 6 months of getting certified, you have to submit your first green belt project, and that will happen with our free mentorship, right? And this is our training model. Hope I have answered your question also. This helped you. And see here, this is the government certificate. The government certificate I have shown here in the previous slide, right? Your photo, your name and certificate with the QR code. And this is internationally valid. A high quality, I would say the world-class quality certification at a much affordable way, but at the same time, not even 1% compromise on the quality. And I can give assurance about what we are doing, but other organization, it is always, you are the best person to decide. Do a proper study and take the best choice, right? All the best. Have I answered your question? Is that convincing?